Are you looking to give your legs that wow factor and definition? Well, in this video, I demonstrate lunges and some variations to do just that. Stay tuned, guys. To start your lunge, hands on the waist helps, and you want to step forward, have your knees bent at 90 degrees, and then come back. This is all a controlled motion, as you can see here. I'm not going too fast, and I'm not letting momentum take over. As you can see in the top left there, a different angle to give you the idea of my knee placement. You want to joint stack. Remember that when doing any exercise, my knee is over my ankle. Everything is very in line. Control yourself and engage your legs and glutes to help with balance. As you can see, we've gone from doing a forward lunge to a backward lunge. A little bit challenging because you are blind moving into this motion, so you have to rely on your body coordination, your balance. This is great for getting all those little muscles and stabilizers. Aim to do 10 reps and 2 sets if you're a beginner. Next up, we have what's known as a split squat, or you could think of it as a static lunge. There is no movement here. I'm not stepping anywhere. I'm keeping my legs split apart like that and just going up and down. Don't forget to switch legs. Remember, with force exertion, you want to breathe out, and on the way down, breathe in. Keeping your back straight, and what I'm doing with my arms there is for balance purposes. The last variation is a side lunge. You can do this alternating or just focus on one side to do a few reps and then switch. If this video was helpful at all, let us know by commenting below and hitting that like button. Remember, don't be a couch potato, be a couch athlete.